Welcome to the May 28th, 2018 Advance Report for McGowan Group Asset Management clients and NetWorthRadio.com listeners. I'm Spencer McGowan, your financial weatherman. We cover this week's charts and graphs for a special mid-year read on what's happening in the financial markets. Real estate first. Nationwide home prices rose 9% year over year. That is the most in a single year since 2006. How does Dallas compare? Blue versus green. Nationwide all the way back to 2000. This index started at 100. Right now, you're looking at a double over that 18-year period. You can see the crisis right here. You can see we stayed relatively flat and steady here in North Texas, but have begun a steady rise, catching up to this index at 200 and 185 on the housing price index just for North Texas. That differential means we could go another 10%. Why? Because 5 out of the top 15 fastest growing populations, those cities are right here in Texas, and it means that this could last a while for Texas to actually surpass the nationwide average based on that population growth. Dow Jones Industrial Average. We covered on the program at the end of the year. Alex and I said it looks like could be a range-bound market. Sure enough, we get the rebalancing correction and relatively flat mid-range. This could last an extended period, at least for the big stocks. What happened in small stocks? Boom. The growth rates, relatively healthy growth rates, resulting in all-time new highs on the Russell 2000, fully recovered from the rebalancing correction. So small stocks outperforming, rising to about a 6% gain so far this year. Interest rates. It's reported that the June Federal Reserve meeting, they'll take the short rates up again. That means the base rate would be 1 3/4. Why have the long rates stayed so flat? Look at this. The 30-year Treasury actually below where it was 5 years ago, 3.1%. Not much difference. The 10-year Treasury recently topped 3%, settled back to about 2.94% this week. That is a potentially very flat but low yield curve. Strategy for fixed income is posted at NetWorthRadio.com. Thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel, YouTube McGowan Group. Be sure to subscribe, and that way you'll get notifications in a fast market if there's an event. We'll do special reports there to help you make the best decisions. I'm Spencer McGowan, President, McGowan Group Asset Management. My firm, McGowan Group Asset Management, sponsors NetWorthRadio.com and, of course, our YouTube channel under McGowan Group. Some educational disclosures and discussions that I wanted to add to the broadcast. The first is, I'm very proud of our team, including Stephen Norris, who will be added as soon as we redo the picture. He's our newest team member. Come down, meet the team that cares, get a written plan, because the securities we discuss, the financial news we discuss, that's not a recommendation until you actually come down and get a customized plan at the Crescent. You'll get a tour, and we look forward to seeing you. We're going to cover value at risk of loss in portfolios, and you can see it right here. Learn about our performance, what happened in 2008, how long did it take to recover. All of those items are posted right here at NetWorthRadio.com or the McGowanGroup.com. The other part of the program, when we look at price fluctuations in bear markets and risk control, that's a huge part of NetWorthRadio.com. We look forward to helping you advance your plan and your cash flow. Come down and meet the team that cares.